Hello everybody. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Boardroom to get insights on your products and variants. So I've come over here to My Products under Products in the menu. And the first thing you'll probably notice is this Product Performance section here at the top of the screen, where at a glance I can see my top performing products by a variety of different metrics here. And I can toggle between these different metrics and watch as the widget updates in real time in the background here. I can also update the date range to one of our predefined segments here, or I can choose a custom date range as well. And then from here I can scroll down and I'll see the All Products grid view first here. Now this is great because it gives me an easy way to take a look at my financials, organized product by product. Now these little grids you're going to see all throughout the Boardroom tool, and they're extremely handy because you can easily create filters. For example, let's say I wanted to look at products where I've sold more than 10 units. I can enter that here and watch as the data filters down instantly in the background. I can also pull in a bunch of other columns into this grid if I wanted to. I can reorder the columns by clicking and dragging them around. So I have full control over what this grid looks like and what data I'm looking at here on the screen. I can even save a grid view here if there are reports that I like to run frequently. I can click New View, give it a name here, and my favorite view has now been saved into Boardroom. So next time I log in, I don't have to reset this set of filters and column ordering here. I can just load up my favorite view and it will be ready for me. And then I can go ahead and export this to Excel or CSV and take this away as a report if I'd like to as well. Scrolling down from the All Products grid, I can also look at the Variant Breakdown grid here, which is a very similar grid to the one we were just looking at, except that it shows you individual variants and how they're performing on a financial basis. And so you can use the same type of functionality, set up your filters, set up your views, and run your reports here as well. So the variant breakdown and the product grid are very useful tools here in Boardroom. But I'd also like to mention that you probably noticed we have these Go to Product links here by the items here in my product performance section, and also every single product name here in this grid is a clickable link. So if I were to click on one of these links, it's going to open up a dedicated product page in Boardroom, and this is going to show me more detailed KPIs about this particular product. It's going to give me a place where I can take some notes on this product. If I want to experiment with something, this might be a good sort of home base for all of my notes. And I can see other information like refunds, a breakdown of how my variants are doing, any suppliers that I may have added for this product, and fulfillment expenses. So there's just a ton of information here that Boardroom is allowing you to track about each and every product on your store. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.